That's a nice Jeep.
Thank you.
Let me back up a little so I can view it. Hold on. City Jeeps. First Jeep in the country?
It was the first production consumer sold truck.
Okay.
So, I mean, a lot of manufacturers, people that build and develop parts had one.
Uh-huh.
We were fortunate to be the first public sale.
Oh, okay.
April 14th of this year.
10th annual, what's that say right there?
We went to an event with it.
Oh, okay. All right. So you built this Jeep?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Where do you build them? I mean, where can one get one of these?
We sell them online. Screw City Jeeps. There's a couple for sale. I do a lot of the work myself here in town. We got a little shop off Forest Hills.
Okay.
And we just buy them brand new. We do custom mild packages all the way to extreme as you want to get.
Okay. All right. All right, well, we're going to view it. Tank, y'all. All right, no problem. Two. All right.